Jet 665, right Bravo, hold short of
224,
Kilo.
taxi, Yankee,
Right
Yankee
Bravo,
Alpha, and hold short on 4 left.
665.
Okay,
Alaska
Yankee,
19
Yankee
at
Alpha, hold short
November,
of 4
follow
left for
citation from
American
the right,
274.
and then hold short of Kilo.
Okay, on November, follow the citation from the right, hold short of Kilo, Alaska 19.
Ground Delta 784, Hotel Bravo with X-ray.
Delta 784, Kennedy ground, runway 31 left to Kilo Echo, give way to JetBlue from the left, and then taxi right Alpha short of Juliet.
Right, 31 left Kilo Echo, give way to the other airplane, then Alpha, hold short Juliet, Delta 784.
JetBlue 97, continue straight ahead, Kilo cross 31 left, and monitor tower 123.9er.
Okay, continue Kilo, cross 31 left, and 1239, have a good night, JetBlue 97.
That's the gate number. On my
Yeah.
American 2969, cross 24 left at Foxtrot.
Cross 24 left to Foxtrot, American 2969.
Jibba 28, cross 24 left at Yankee Alpha.
Cross 4 left Yankee Alpha, Double 28.
American 274, cross 24 left at Yankee Alpha.
74 left to Yankee Alpha, American 274.
210, cross 24 left at Foxtrot.
Foxtrot, Double 210.
American 2969, taxi right Bravo at Yankee Alpha, give way to company.
Right, Tim Bravo, Yankee Alpha, give way to company, American 2969.
Jibba 124, Foxtrot, hold short of Yankee.
Fox, hold short of Yankee, Double 124.
Juliet, heavy, minus 4 on
Bravo to the ramp, monitor down.
It's Bravo, ground Double 28.
American 274, taxi straight Bravo to the ramp, the company's giving
615
way,
X-ray
monitor down.
heavy, runway 4
Bravo
left, taxi
ramp,
left on
monitor ground,
Bravo,
copy, give
hold
away,
short of
American
Kilo Echo.
274, thanks.
JetBlue 210, taxi right Bravo to the ramp, monitor down.
Left on Bravo, hold short, Kilo Echo.
JetBlue 210, right Bravo to the ramp, monitor down.
Delta 784, cross 3 left to Kilo, right Kilo 4.